Well, good morning, YouTube. I got called out this morning to a no heat call for a customer that said that in the past, shutting off the breaker to the furnace always seemed to resolve the issue. That sort of an explanation to fix a problem always kind of scares me, because typically if you have to reset the power to get the system to run, you are resetting a safety, and that safety has gone off for some reason, and as soon as you ignore that safety, there's a high potential for issue. I've got it traced back at this point to a faulty board that is not recognizing a flame signal. I confirmed a strong flame signal from the hot surface or the flame sensor, and the system fires but doesn't stay lit. And talking to Mr. MI heating guy from Michigan, we're going to look at a couple of other things when we get back to the job and confirm that my findings are indeed correct. So I got a little bit of a drive ahead of me. I got a universal replacement board, so if nothing else, this video will be about a universal replacement board for a 58 PAB, Papa Alpha Bravo. So stay tuned. All right, so this one doesn't look so hot. Not that you guys are getting a close view of it anyway, but it looks like it's probably had some drainage issues at one point. Everything's a little nasty. I don't know if you can see that very well, but they're kind of grungy, but they're clean on the burner end.
Working 16 hours every day, ain't got no more sweat to give. Oh, it ain't so easy these days, just trying to get on by.
Can't say I've got a definitive issue with the heat exchanger, but definitely doesn't look good. Really? You wanker. So when you open up a box of a universal igniter board and you get all this, that can definitely be disheartening. But anyway, here we go. See, she's ready to check. Well, I don't know how much of that footage I'll end up using, because when you're kind of out of practice shooting video, sometimes things just go haywire. Got the system back up and running. I didn't go all into carbon or combustion and all of that, simply for the fact that I've got other calls waiting on me. I did double check gas pressure, and the system did stay functional for the remainder of my visit. Downstairs he's got a 48 GS carrier gas pack, and that one has got a 8 flash code, which is an internal board failure or something along those lines. And as I was getting ready to pull away, he came out to the truck and told me that he would like to go ahead and make that repair as well. So this will end up being a pretty decent combination ticket between the two repairs. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Blind man, I see you walking through this cold, cold night.